how to fix won't send MMS messages issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all check your network connection. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, then your network connection is not good. So move to an area where you can get good signals. But after getting good signals, if you are still facing the issue in sending MMS messages, then make sure to turn on mobile data. So without turning on mobile data, you cannot send MMS messages. So turn on mobile data, and after that the MMS messages sending issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this side button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches which include the messages issues. So after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now in apps, click on this apps option again, and then scroll down, and here click on messages. Now go to the storage of messages app, and from here clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. And after doing this, the MMS messages sending issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Honor 200 if it won't send MMS messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.